Hi, my name is Tategami Ookami, and I'm a voice actor. Well, one starting out anyway. I made this channel for people who like voice acting or are interested in getting started in voice acting. It's really fun, and it's something that anyone can do from home. So, a fun fact about me right now is I'm actually disabled. And, yeah, it kind of hits home. I used to work construction, and after I got sick one day, I just became disabled. I couldn't work anymore, so I had to find something else that I could do. And so I decided to take up my lifelong dream of being a voice actor. It's been a long road, and although I'm just getting started, I can definitely testify that starting out new can be very overwhelming and it can be confusing to know where to go next. From wondering which mic to get to how to practice. And sometimes it can just feel like you're just spinning your wheels. So I made this channel to help others so that they wouldn't have to spend the money and the time that it took me to have to do it. It took me about 7 years to get to the point where I could audition, and I don't want you having to spend that time and money to get to where I am now. So I'll be sharing how I could have taken my 7-year journey and turn it into a 1 year or less for you, from just starting out not knowing anything all the way up until the point where you're starting to audition and you're getting yourself out there in the world and landing roles. So I'll be sharing what I've learned with you all along the way, and hopefully it'll make things so much easier for you than it was for me. So here you'll find tips, voice acting exercises, gear talk, behind the scenes stuff, and basically everything that I wish that I had when I was starting out. So that way you can achieve your dream of being a voice actor. And hopefully while avoiding all the pitfalls that I did when I was trying to get into it. Fun fact, did you know that it can take about 10 years for people to start learning how to voice act to actually becoming a voice actor and having a career? Yeah, I'm at that 7-year mark and I'm just beginning auditioning. So if you want to expedite that time and get to the point where you're actually doing auditions in a year without having to do 7 years of classes and training and spending money over and over again, please follow along because I want to be able to make this so much easier for people. It's amazing how difficult it can be just to figure out what direction to go in. And I also don't believe that voice acting should be held behind $100 paywalls or $1,000 paywalls. Some of it is so easy that it shouldn't cost anything to get voice acting training. So on my YouTube channel, you'll find mostly everything that you need to know for free. If you're just doing the YouTube channel, you'll have everything you basically need to be able to launch yourself and get started. And I'll keep all the really important information in there. But for those who want more in-depth experiences and some of the more nuanced things or life experiences that I've had and things that I've run into in my journey that maybe play less of a part or helped expedite, certain things better, or you want certain trainings that I'm doing or ways that I'm practicing, I have bonus materials and more info on that on my Patreon for those who wish to donate. And I do that because I find that it's a nice way to be able to give back to my fans who want to donate and support me. I want to be able to give them a little bit extra, to be able to help smooth their landing into roles and things like that. So I just find that to be a nice way to give back to fans. So yeah, you can find the link to that in my bio page or in the links of any of my YouTube videos. So if you're curious about voice acting or you're trying to get better at it, then please join me on my journey. I'm practically starting out, and if you're on that same path too, you might as well have some company, right? I've got plenty to share, and I really hope it helps you out. Take care and stay safe out there.